Turns out cigarettes can't kill you, 'cause when you didn't come back, every time I thought of you, I smoked a whole pack. I was up to about 17 packs a day. I was refueling too, about every hour or so. I drank a bottle of white mule. I wasn't thinking about turquoise, I wasn't thinking about gold, I wasn't thinking about thinking or about getting old. Got to be, so I didn't care if I was leaving or loving what I was and what I was becoming. Don't wanna die in your arms, just wanna die. Don't wanna die in your arms, just wanna die. Yeah, well, like a marionette doll, oh man, by a fool, I went into the chicken shed, started looking for tools. Well, I worked for a month, saw some sky, saw some cloud, and I built myself some angels with trumpets so loud. Well, they played hallelujah, and I knew I was done. Walked through the Golden Gate's pearl inlays, saw a never setting sun. Well, I knew I was dead, I couldn't do no more harm. Well, I built myself a heaven where you could die in my arms. Well, you died in my arms when I died. Where you died in my arms when I died. Where you died in my arms when I died. Where you died in my arms.